Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Couples Exploring Canada. If you are new here, please subscribe to join us on our unique adventures. Today we are starting our trip to Niagara Falls in the summer of 2023. Our first stop was the City Cruises in Toronto. The City Cruises is Niagara, Ontario, and you are watching now the American Falls. You can see the falls is like covered by rainbow. It looks amazing, right? Like when we experienced that, it was like surreal. And then there will be Horseshoe Falls, like that's the largest among the falls. You can see there are like three different falls that integrate the overall Niagara Falls. So you are watching the American Falls right now. And here comes the Horseshoe Falls. It's a magnificent, largest falls among all the falls in Niagara Falls. It was like really breathtaking. You can see like the overall Niagara Falls was formed around like 12,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age. It was an awesome experience. Like when we visited like really close to that Horseshoe Falls, like we were literally drenched. And then now we are returning back. Like this is the US side. You can see like the US people, they have their own behind the falls journey. And we returned there like after 15 minutes of cruise ride. We wanted to be there for a little bit while, but it is what it is, right? You are watching the fireworks at Niagara. So it happens like every day at 10 p.m. There are like thousands of people that wait till 10 p.m. to watch this fireworks at Niagara Falls. You can see like they are like whole crowded and it's like full of traffic, and it was like amazing experience because like the fireworks, it comes over the falls, right? So it looks amazing. So the first day we were like so tired, and the next day we visited the behind the falls. You can see you can go very near to the falls, like the Horseshoe Falls. It was like so amazing. And then we stayed at the Hilton Niagara Falls, just like a quick room tour, and the view was fantabulous. Thanks for joining us, and please keep supporting us.